Teacher Harjane. Yes. Okay, so you just arrived from school? Musta man? Okay. Okay, so I'm here to deliver 4,000 pesos for study room expenses. So please kupot 4,000 pesos, and that is from Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas Nim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Alona ma'am, Alona and Agnes also. So tonight for dinner you have to do some mission, mukbang mission. Chooks to go mukbang. We have here 6 pack of Chooks to go, and then that is for kuan New Hate, Alona family, Agnes family, and then Alma and kids and Zaira. Okay, so here is also 300 pesos for drinks. Ikan na lang mo hold for drinks, 300 pesos. Okay, so Alona ma'am, so you have 1,000 pesos for you. Okay, and also Agnes ma'am, imong mama inday na sa Mindanao, no? But okay, she have 1,000 pesos from Ayong Buntag Niman. So ikaw na lang makupot ani dayon ihatag sa imong mama ug mauli siya from Mindanao, no? Di ra man siya magdugay dito, no? Okay, so you will take a video when she arrive Okay, makauli na siya. Okay, and that is all from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag nim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye. Teacher Merlinda.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver. You have 1,000 pesos for your birthday gift from Chusung Jin Tim Jangmin.
Oh, Chusung Jin Tim Jangmin, kamsahamnida for my birthday.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Birthday.
Bye cake. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo, Hayasen.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So you were not informed, no, nga mo ato mo office morning time. Okay, because Teacher Jen have work, so walay naka-inform sa imo. Okay, so morning time kamo tanan nga gipang sponsoran ni Amagetonim na tapok dito sa office. Okay, so since wa man ka ganina, so I'm here to deliver your school supplies fee. Okay, kompleto na imong school supplies, inday? Wala pa. Asa pa may kuwang nimo? Gamay na lang. Okay, imong uniform. Wala pa kay uniform?
Gamay din ako.
Gamay. Imong na last year nga uniform. Aras. Okay, so this 4,000 pesos is for your school supplies. Okay.
Amagetonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.